Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another weather update here on Liam's Weather. I am meteorologist Liam Kenny, and let's get right into today's broadcast and talk about our weather as we head throughout the next couple of days. So let's push back these curtains and talk about our midweek weather headlines, or the weather that we could be expecting as we head into the middle and later parts of this upcoming week. So we are going to be bringing back our chances for some scattered showers and also thunderstorms throughout the middle portion of the week due to a frontal boundary that is going to be stationary across our general area. And talking about the tropics, we have a brand new area of development. Invest 90L has been affecting the southeastern coast for the past couple of days, and it is drawing in a lot of tropical moisture that has been fueling a lot of showers and thunderstorms across the southeastern portion of the southeastern United States. And you all know it has been very, very, very hot and humid really across the whole entire country throughout the last several days. And that will continue to be the trend because we're going to be maintaining very warm temperatures and plenty of humidity due to a lot of very high dew points. So here's a look at our nationwide surface map. As you can see, several different areas of low pressure and also stationary fronts, considering how much rain I guess you could say the whole entire country has been dealing with. We also have a very dominant area of high pressure that is bringing in a lot of tropical moisture from the southern Pacific Ocean that has been contributing to all of the flash flooding and extreme heat this area has been going throughout the last several days or to even weeks. Okay, here's a look at what we're seeing right now across the southeast. Just a couple of showers and thunderstorms because of Invest 90L going all the way from just to the east of Tallahassee, right up along the whole entire eastern coast from Savannah, Georgia, up throughout Charleston, South Carolina. And we are also seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms across places in northeastern South Carolina. For example, places like Myrtle Beach, Charleston, and also a lot of those different areas. And as you work your way up into the Midwest, we also do have a pretty good line that is making for a couple of different showers and thunderstorms, including one severe thunderstorm warning. You can definitely see we're definitely seeing a lot of lightning associated with this. Here's Green Bay, Wisconsin. There's Madison. So you can see in between those two major cities is where we're seeing that squall line appear right now. And then as we continue to talk about the tropics, here's a look at what we're currently seeing right now all across really the whole entire outlook. Our only area of concern is Invest 90L. It is basically stationary across portions of the southeast. Here's a better look at where it is right now. Really basically in south central Georgia, in between Savannah and also Atlanta, Georgia. I mean, this thing only has winds of about 20 miles an hour, so this thing is really not a tropical system at all. However, here are the latest details. Its current location is 31.4 north, 81.6 west. As I said, it really isn't that strong. It only has maximum sustained winds of 20 miles an hour. The lowest minimum pressure is about 1,011 millibars, and it is still moving towards the north at about 5 miles an hour. But other than that, this thing is absolutely no threat to any of us here. Here's a look at our satellite. There's the center kind of right there. We're definitely seeing a lot of convection across the northeastern side of it, in places like Savannah, Georgia, and also Charleston, South Carolina. And then also, as you look here up in northeastern South Carolina, a lot of thunderstorms are firing up across portions of the Carolinas this morning, especially the eastern Carolinas. You might have been woken up by a couple of rumbles of thunder. I know for a fact that I was. However, we will be maintaining that chance for some scattered showers and also thunderstorms due to a frontal boundary that is now just towards our west, and also because of Invest 90L. So once again, there's the latest satellite imagery. Most of the convection is going to be on this general area, but nothing that we have to worry about at all as far as tropical impacts go. And the last but not least, here's our severe weather outlook for the next couple of days. Here is our nationwide SPC outlook. As you can see, we do have a couple of different areas of concern. One of them is right here across central portions of the Midwest, and then as you head more towards the east, we have another area back into the interior northeast. As far as the risk goes today, we're going to be in that marginal to slight risk. Really overall our SPC, a low to moderate risk of seeing a tornado or severe thunderstorm today. And then as far as the threats go, a slight chance of damaging winds, no threat of flooding, a very slight chance of some large hail, and thankfully no threats of absolutely any tornadoes. And as you go ahead and take a look at our local severe weather outlook, there is absolutely no chance of any severe weather. We're only going to be seeing a very slight to marginal risk at all. And as you can see, there is really no risk of any severe weather today as far as damaging winds, flooding, large hail, and also tornadoes go. And as we go ahead and take a look at our local area 5-day forecast as we continue throughout the rest of our week, here is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as soon as my PowerPoint loads. There we go. Thankfully, we will start to see our rain chances decrease as we head throughout the next 2 to 3 days. We're only going to be maintaining that 30% chance of rain tomorrow because of that stationary boundary due to our west, and also because of any moisture left from Invest 90L. So only about a 30% chance of rain tomorrow, topping out at 91 in the afternoon, dropping down into the low 70s at night. And then thankfully, as we head towards Thursday and Friday, absolutely no chance of rain. However, it is going to get very, very warm. As you can see, we're going to be topping out at 96 on Thursday and 97 on Friday. And considering what our dew points are right now, considering how much available moisture right now is in the air, we're probably going to be seeing heat indexes well over 100 degrees. So with that being said, definitely be sure that if you are outside, you are staying hydrated. Try and stay in the shade as much as possible, whether it's over an overhead or a tent or an umbrella or anything like that. Just try and make sure that you don't get too hot. Make sure that you stay hydrated and everything else like that. And then here's a look at our weekend. We are going to be bringing back our rain chances due to another frontal boundary that will be working its way into our area as we head into Saturday and Sunday. About a 30% chance of rain both days. Thankfully, we are going to be seeing our temperatures decrease just a little bit. We're still going to be in the 90s, but thankfully, we're not going to be near 97 as we are going to be on Friday. So we're still going to be in the low 90s in the afternoon, dropping down into the high 70s in the afternoon. But other than that, our threat for severe weather is generally low, and beside Invest 90L, there is absolutely no other tropical threats in our area, or really, I guess you could say, really throughout the whole entire United States. So that is basically all I have for you all today. Please be sure to visit my website above at www.liamsweather.org. Here's my social media. I'm on Twitter at liamsweather621. I'm on Instagram at liamsweather, and then last but not least, I'm also on Facebook at Liam Kenny. So be sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. You click that notification button so that we get notified immediately whenever I post a brand new video, and also be sure to click that like button if you are enjoying the content. Alright, so that is basically it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great rest of your Tuesday.